Hello everyone, we're in Papiano, beautiful little town near Marciano, and today we're going to see the property called Pastificio Lemmi. Recently and perfectly restored. Here we see the sign that gives us the sense of this building. It's an industrial building, the late 19th century, and this is the extent of the facade. We've got 2 apartments on 2 floors. Going inside, seeing the first one. As we walk in, the staircase leads to the first floor, where we'll go in a minute. Now we're going to see the apartment on the ground level. It's one open space, plenty of natural light, beautifully restored doors overlooking the town, lots of old world furniture, period furniture. This was a desk, probably from the 18th century, but if we open it, we have a kitchen with an induction range. The location for a fridge comes here. We have an industrial sink and a beautiful view of the town from here. Turning around, we have the dining room, a great, beautiful arch, a chalkboard which is a partition, a division between one area and the other, and behind the chalkboard, a bedroom area. This is what leads to the bathroom, but please notice the beautiful beams and the lovely rounded parts, original, above the doors. Period doors that leads to a bathroom, almost completed. We have a sauna bathtub, full bath and sink in here. This area is heated by a ventilation system. And now, view from the outside, we go upstairs to the first floor. This is an original sign of the old factory where they made pasta and liquors, and we're going up these cement stairs, also original, only painted white to be refreshed. We reach the first floor, the door is open, and this is the view of this first room. I'll take it slow because the ceiling is something truly special. Lots of windows. And over here we have, this is an altarpiece from the 16th century, which has created a raised platform to create a beautiful television room area with a dormeuse that allows someone, also a guest, to sleep. View from the windows, and on the other side, the door on the left is the door I came through. The door on the right is actually the bathroom of the floor. Lovely, lovely bathroom. Toilet. And a great shower with tiles that look like travertine. Through this opening right here, we reach another great piece of furniture, period furniture, which has been converted into the kitchen, where we have both an induction range, a gas range, an oven, countertops in marble, sink in travertine, some storage, a lovely piece for the pantry over here. This is to be closed. It was the possibility of reaching the lower part when this area was the pasta production location. This is actually where the pasta was made. The grains were stored below. So the shaft was to access that area. Sitting area, great pieces through here with this openness going into the living room. We have a beautiful bedroom with a lovely window overlooking a garden and what will be a little closet for the guests or the owner. Through here, coming back, please note the choice of the antique handles for light switches. We also have a very convenient storage room. It's a good space, high ceilings, and the main switchboard. But the property hasn't been completed yet. As we saw outside, there is a floor above, which is the project, and I'll take you there right now. So we're going up the cement stairs to the project, and we've reached this wooden door that opens into this amazing space. This is where the pasta was hung to dry before being packeted. These are not windows, they're open spaces. It's a loggia, which means a covered outdoor area. All with Gothic windows, perfectly see-through because, as I said, there are no windows. We just have a net protection for pigeons. These are the views. Feels like being in another place, another dimension. And this is the space. Can be converted into pretty much anything. There's still this area here, which was the original staircase, and another little room over here, which already has plumbing for the bathroom.